Hello folks, I'm Melly Little and this is today's 1 minute trade. You know, they got a new ETF out here. Hasn't been trading all that long, looks like about 3 months. ROBO, it's Robotics Automation ETF, and even though the chart doesn't look that interesting yet, matter of fact, you know, there's not enough data here to make a conclusion. What we do see so far is more or less a downtrend taking place. And that's not that atypical of a new ETF. Not a lot of volume yet, you know, 40K here, you know, so you're not pushing a lot of volume on average. Something to watch though, because I think this idea of a ETF in robotics is going to take hold and probably worth watching. Here's the weekly again, just kind of hanging, building out this range. You know, so there's really a kind of a two-sided range taking place here right now between the top and the bottom. It's coming back to test that area, and we'll see what it does when it gets there. But for the most part, that's not that interesting yet. What is interesting is what's in this thing. I mean, if you go down the list, it's fairly well distributed in terms of the percentage holdings in any particular. But there's a lot of companies in here I wouldn't expect to be in this group. So one of the things that I've taken away from this is doing this research for this video is to go and look at some of these companies individually, see what they're doing, see how, you know, one might want to play in them. It's also interesting to note that they're hedging against their bets here. In other words, they've got currency hedges on to try to neutralize the effect of currency as well. That's ROBO stock ETF, kind of an interesting new issue, one that we might want to pay attention to as time goes on. And that is today's 1 minute trade.